Brandon Clark here with Slakker Racing, back for another test drive of this beautiful 2007 987.1 Cayman Speed Yellow. Absolutely gorgeous. It came into us for a 3.4 to 3.9 liter engine upgrade, along with a OS Giken limited slip differential. So should have a little more power and have a little more ability to lay that power down to the ground. So we're going to take it for a spin and see how it does. Come along. All right. So this car came to us from Florida with 87,000 miles on it for a proactive rebuild and upgrade. She's got just a nice feel, nice sound to her. Whoa! It's an angry little minion. This thing frickin' flies. Yeah, I gave it the power and she went. Woo! Always happy to see Oklahoma City's finest patrolling the streets. All right, get another pull on her. Yeah, this is really fun. This really livened this car up. This engine tested out at 370 horsepower to the crank, 319 foot-pounds of torque, and it feels really good. More traffic, so a little tougher to get into the LSD, but we'll give it a shot anyway. This is fun. This is really fun. I really like how this car is set up. It's got a good balance to the suspension. Seems to really kind of keep the car planted without keeps the car planted without being too rough. All I can think of is just a fun little minion. Like, it's just small, it's compliant, it does what you ask it to do, and then you get on you give it the beans and just gets angry and goes. Like, this is a really fun car. What a lot of people don't realize is that the 987.1 Cayman and the 997.1 Carrera both have essentially the same engine. Many of the Carrera part numbers are actually Cayman part numbers on that 3.6 Carrera. The only difference is the stroke. Pretty much everything else is the same. What we do is we drop in a 102.7 millimeter Hardtech Nikasil plated replacement cylinder, and we widen up that bore from 96 to 102.7, which is essentially the same size as a GT3. And that's how we get from 3.4 liter to 3.9 liter. Now then, because it is a shorter stroke, it does seem to be a little revier. It's just got a really good, nice, wide torque band to it. You never feel like you're wanting to jump out and push or paddle, as I call it. The car's got the power that you want to get up and go. It's fun. And this car draws a lot of attention. That's probably one of the first things I noticed getting out and driving it is it's a looker. Lots of people staring at it. Yeah, we don't make Porsches, but I can comfortably say we make Porsches better. This is a really nice upgrade for this car. Never loses its refined balance, just gives you more usable power throughout the band. That was fun. This little angry minion can fly. It's lightweight, it's nimble. The power of that 3.9 really comes through and gets to the ground with the limited slip differential. It's just a really nice package to drive. Can't wait to get it back to the owner, get their feedback on it. But first, we need to sign the Airbox as requested and get this all packaged up and ready to go home.
Now, Bubbles, you stay away from me. I don't like you, you don't like me. Not bad, yo, not bad. That's actually very good. Slakker quality, baby. I'll keep it clean and simple, top corner.
So thanks everyone for coming along on this test drive, and we'll see you next time. Later.
First startup, first drive. I heard her when she came off the truck. Sounds different, sounds good. Here we go. All right. Oh, clutch is way different. Much better. Oh, she sounds strong. Wait for a little traffic here. I also don't have the insulation on the engine cover because of the signature, so it should sound a little more aggressive. Alright, let's do it. Holy shit! Oh, mother, she pulls hard. Oh, Will, you have done an outstanding job. Brandon, Gavin, you guys are all freaking awesome. This thing's a... Whoa, what a difference. I thought this thing made me giggle before. God damn. Oh, good stuff, guys. Thank you so much. This has been every bit the worth the waiting for. I can't even talk. Thank you so much.
I'm Philip. Thanks for watching. If you want to check out another video, check it out right there.